Imagine a plant that contained twice as much protein as meat does. What if this plant were packed with vitamins and minerals, including 50 times more iron than spinach? Imagine if we could grow this plant pretty much anywhere on the planet. The good news, this plant already exists. Say hello to microalgae. So technically they're not a plant, but they are one of the world's fastest growing organisms, capable of doubling in size within a day. Basically, they could be a significant and sustainable source of nutrition in the years to come. From smoothies to salads, edible microalgae such as spirulina could be a healthy addition to anyone's diet. Add it to a daily staple such as bread, and it could be used to tackle malnutrition in the developing world. But it's not just a superfood for humans. There's a huge potential in using microalgae to feed animals as well. Today, we're cutting down the rainforest to grow protein-rich soybean, most of which is used to feed livestock. Imagine if we could switch them from a soy-enriched feed to one containing microalgae. Could this help stop deforestation and reduce climate change? Maybe. But the best thing about microalgae, they don't put additional pressure on the environment. In fact, they strip CO2 from the atmosphere and improve air quality. So, why aren't microalgae everywhere? After all, the biology and the technology already exist. Well, scientists are working hard to make the process cost-effective, and hopefully we'll get there soon. But what we're also lacking is a greater awareness about it. Which is why we've left the lab and teamed up with 3 young architects to create the Algae Dome, a 4-meter-high photobioreactor for an art fair in Copenhagen. Why? Because we want to trigger a conversation about the immense potential of microalgae. As well as being a unique space, the Algae Dome is capable of growing up to 450 liters of environmentally friendly microorganisms during the 3 days of the Chart Art Fair. And to showcase the tastiness of spirulina, we will be handing out samples of delicious spirulina chips created by our chef-in-residence. Trust us, going green never looked or tasted so good.
美味しい。